How to do bicycle crunches. Perfect your ABS. Looking to sculpt those ABS and perfect your core strength, bicycle crunches are your go-to exercise. Here's a step-by-step guide to mastering this effective move. Step 1. Positioning yourself. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your knees towards your chest. Step 2. The bicycle motion. Straighten your right leg out while turning your upper body to the left, bringing your right elbow towards your left knee. Switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while straightening your left leg. Step 3. Maintain control. Keep a steady, controlled pace to fully engage your ABS. Ensure your lower back stays pressed to the floor to avoid strain. Step 4. Breathing technique. Exhale as you twist and inhale as you return to the center. Proper breathing enhances performance and core engagement. Step 5. Repetitions. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions on each side. Gradually increase as your strength improves. Tips for success. Keep your elbows wide and avoid pulling on your neck. Focus on using your core muscles to perform the movement, not just your legs. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Happy crunching!